something. But yeah, let's do this bounce test and stuff. First, the bounce test.
No, don't do bounce test.
Stretch test. Really stretching swirl test.
Whoa.
Hook test.
You don't want these to go to waste, do you? They were labor of love.
Hey, you're that guy that doesn't like nachos.
Miss Topsy, I know you're back there. I can hear your stomach growling.
Hey,
Oh, there you are.
So yeah, that's this.
You must be starving.
Kind of sticky back.
just wait. That's right.
I can't cry anymore, Patrick. When Gary left, he took all my tears with him.
Did you just say Gary? SpongeBob! Oh, I just remembered. Earlier today at the craft store, I saw these huge jugs of balsa wood. They were awesome.
So,
I love balsa wood. I gotta try to forget Gary.
this is alright.
For some reason, I can't get him out of my mind.
Comment down below
I
if you
blew it.
mix
I really blew it.
and this is my song, so it's gonna be easy to not make this. But I think it is. Comment down below. And when I get one, I'm going to make it into put more glue in it and activate it, and then I'm gonna make the same exact thing. Tomorrow, if I make this, I know when we get home. If I bake some more time today, I'm gonna make it.
Gary, your purring is making it hard to forget you.
I'm going to do it on
Did
video.
you hear any of that, or do I have to repeat myself? Wow. Okay.
Oh,
I
wait.
promise, Gary, things are gonna be different between you and I.
Then this song is like an ASMR song, so we're gonna do an ASMR test too. But no, it's in the background because my sister watching. I mean, SpongeBob. Now, I forgot what it's called, but I like this show. So I better hurry up. So I'm just showing y'all how stretchy and stuff it is. So y'all don't be like, oh, that's not sponge. Oh, that's clay. Oh, blah, blah, blah. And comment down below if y'all want me to do making slime. And if you go to my school and be my cousin, I got you. I'll make you some slime. But you gotta comment down below. Yeah. And for like, if I get this video to at least 10 or 5, to at least 5 likes, then I'm going to do sorry if I'm not looking at you. I'm just trying to watch it.
Oh, we missed it.
Thanks, Arthur. And I don't mean thanks in a good way. I mean thanks like I'm mad at you.
Oh!
We can watch another movie this weekend.
We're going camping with Ivy and the whole family this weekend, remember?
Oh, you guys are rocking it, huh?
Yep. I have a luxury tent, cashmere sleeping bag, and a inflatable massage chair.
Okay, guys.
Necessities.
I love this one really because it's better than
And I invented a whole bunch of camping
that one.
outfits.
My recipe song, I don't want to show you because I don't want to watch this now. I was probably going to show you on that one. But my rest of my songs is right here.
It scares bears away.
Guys, clap like those like this.
She said comment down below if you like camera watching. Can I have one?
Can I have one?
Thank you.
Give you guys one tomorrow, okay?
We'll be able to eat at Dawson's together.
So when will you be home, Mom?
It's gonna be a while.
Can you not go with it?
For at least a
Go,
few months.
now go ahead.
So I'll be there this Friday.
Hey,
In Stuart and Uncle Clark, I've no idea. I usually don't lie, but this is for a good cause.
Well, thank you for helping me keep the secret. They're gonna be so surprised.
It hasn't been easy. You have no idea how many times I've had to keep Arthur from stealing.
Do you need directions to the campsite?
Just the coordinates. A friend's helping me arrange a helicopter flyover, and I'm gonna parachute down right into your campsite.
Parachuting? Maybe I need to step up my game. When I come home from a work trip, I us walk through the door. This is gonna be the best surprise ever. I can't wait to see the look on
Okay, guys, so now let's do the text. And then I'll put it in. We just sitting here.
Can I just hang out?
It was hard.
It's a weird
But I think I got everything in there.
Hey, do we really need 8 kinds of repellent? I mean,
So wait, let me do
cheetah
it.
repellent? We don't even have cheetahs in Oregon.
And I intend to keep it that way.
Wait, you still have to get garbage back.
That's a lot of stuff for such a little pig.
He has a lot of outfit options. What if you need someone special? We could do
Is there
something.
some room
No.
for recycling
What?
bin?
What? We're not taking that
I
with us.
mean,
We have to. I'm gonna do an Ivy Care segment on eco-friendly camping.
So they didn't have the same exact slimes in it because I split most of her. Because
Yeah.
the containers
Maybe me and Rosie can run with Stuart up Clark's car.
not big
What do you
enough.
guys?
And when we get home, we're gonna make it bigger, like I said, and put it in a bigger container.
No, no.
I am.
Mommy, I bet yeah.
Yes, mommy said, no, remember that slime drawer or whatever it's called? That slime tote with all the glue and activator? That's why I told you stop touching. Get this.
Oh no,
No.
She do it too much.
because you have to.
You seem pretty stressed out. Here, sit on my
Huh?
chair. Actually, me first.
Sorry.
Yeah.
She do it too much.
Go.
Her slime is purple. Whatever. Mine is pink. This is green. This one is like green, blue, or blue. And the camera is green, but in real life it's like blue. I can't tell because it's so light, but it was
You guys
green when I
have to go
first made
camping
it.
with us.
Yeah, we're really looking forward to spending the weekend with the whole family.
Exactly. The whole family. The whole family.
We want to go, but how? We could all go in our car.
But how are we all gonna fit in there?
We'll just take out some of the stuff we don't need. Like these light packets. We're not even camping near water.
2 words for you. Flash flood.
Okay. We can all just risk our lives to make room for everybody.
Then I guess we're going camping.
Yeah. The whole family's gonna have so much fun. The whole family.
Technical if you don't know what this show is, because and whoever get it right first and second, I'm going to ship you a slime box. So in the slime box is going to be clear glue, 2 bottles of clear glue, 2 bottles of white glue, 4 bottles of activator. Is going to be like, how many slimes should we get them? 2 or 4? 2 or 4?
Obvious.
We're gonna give y'all 4 slimes
No.
or
obvious
10.
side.
No, we're gonna give y'all 10 slimes, and then
No, we'll get one side and 2.
no, we're gonna give y'all 4 slimes. How about that?
It's 2 sides.
2 made out of white glue and 2 made out of. But y'all have to tell us what kind of slimes y'all want. Like, do y'all want
Oh, you
ice
said-
cream slime, clear
I
slime,
want
jelly
ice cream
slime? Y'all want clear? I mean, no. Y'all want like a slime like this, but a different color? I just used a green dye and blue dye.
Oh,
That
Mom.
was kind of stupid.
You
I
know
used
that
like
you
a half.
That wheel.
Don't worry, Uncle Clark. This is gonna be fun. Just pretend you're at summer camp.
Huh?
Here we go. The ghost
Okay.
of the bears and our paramedics go to the bathroom.
So let's do the
Wait
test.
for Mom, okay? Wait for Mom.
No, we're not gonna ship it today.
Mention this, but
We're not even at home.
select the
No.
sleeping bags at home.
All the stuff is at home basically. But at home we got a slime tote, like with a whole bunch of glue and stuff in it, and decorations, activator, bowls that's dirty. Well, not dirty, but they got dry up slime in it. There's excess. Yeah, but you can still make you can make slime. You can still make slime in it. The dried up stuff not gonna get in there. And we do wash it sometimes, not all the time. And we got a whole bunch of containers. Like we got containers like this because you can buy stuff by slime. But she drinking Pepsi. Can I get some? Yeah, she's drinking all this. Yeah. Food. Food. Can I have your one? Tacos.
Meat or fish?
So about tacos. Oh, yeah. And she eating on what's about.
Camping is all about using
Oh, yeah.
natural resources.
Here's how
For
over there.
instance, in
I'm good.
or you can use
Ew.
a stick.
Show me that.
And sometimes
Look,
it's-
guys.
okay.
No.
Wish we brought the bag of clothes.
Good guys.
You know, the one with the
Stop.
jacket.
Don't turn guys. So,
Here.
guys and girls.
I'm already starting.
I'm hungry too. Arthur ate all the potato
Yeah.
chips. We all get all the snacks.
Wait.
Oh, I can't say man that
Excuse me. Sorry for not posting so long too because
Begin soon. We just gotta
I've been so busy packing and all that. So I'm about to post this video right after I do.
I'm thirsty, buddy. I'm itchy. Can we please go home?
best camping trip ever.
never hold it all.
I didn't even notice the winner. What winner?
Oh, let's start the camper.
So now we're gonna do the test. Thank you.
It tastes good.
Mhm.
I will never leave go with that, okay?
Okay. So bone test. Let's do bone test.
No, not
Not really that, but
I'm gonna keep some watermelon, okay?
Yes, it does.
huh. I'm trying to make this kind of countryside
We
too.
don't have a way to make a fire. Well, I need the ingredients for s'mores.
Okay. So
I run into
No.
the car earlier and found some fun treats for us to eat. A packet of saltines, some crumbled up granola
So,
bars, half
Coke
a lemon,
test.
and one old gummy bear.
okay.
You know, I'm pretty beat.
Bubble
Maybe we
test.
should just turn in.
Not yet. Let's all hang out for another 18 minutes.
Alright.
Yeah, why don't we all sing some campfire
I love doing this.
ideas?
Okay.
I had some.
And
I
then
summer camp when I was a kid.
stretched.
Camping stinks. 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 Camping stinks.
Atlas, how close are you? It's too windy to parachute in. You're not coming?
One more time. Camping stinks. Camping stinks.
Oh,
Seems like so long ago I first entered the man cave.
it's okay.
Became Kid
So,
Danger.
ASMR.
Thunderman.
Stay in. Don't say nothing, okay?
Game Shakers.
Ready,
They
set.
teamed up with the Night Squad to save the story. I don't know if you like surprises. Surprise! I'm bringing you a weekend of all your favorite crossovers. Don't miss the Hell Danger Marathon Friend Game, Saturday at 6. It all leads up to a night of premieres at a Con Nick.
Peace, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Wait, because I'm a team. After I wash my hands.
You can build some of the greatest battles with Lego Star Wars sets.
Oh, and we're going to Lego in here. Okay. Peace, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and smash that bell. Show all your friends and family. So, I mean, snacks are snack. So now we'll be getting the intro and edit.
You guys come in, Mommy? But you know that door that door right there? You eat my cup, cause I like cup.
Wait, is that song?
No.
Okay, he's like, come and share, subscribe, and oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'm so sorry.